So I'm going to have to shout really loud over the noise of this new printer. I was hoping to do a nice unboxing video of this FLSun T1, and last night I went all the way through, unboxed it. This was story behind this. My brother ordered it last month. Unfortunately, he passed away, had a heart attack and died, and his wife gave me this because it arrived the day after he went into hospital in its box on the doorstep. So she gave it to me. I've never had a Delta printer before, never even heard of FLSun before, but I took it and decided I was going to assemble it and print it in his memory. So, you know, I've definitely built bigger things like this, so had a go and downloaded the video, got the manual out. It isn't as bad as it looks, quite a few screws and all that, but cable wise quite easy. Just a few cables and they can all plug in just one way, and then at the end of it you flick the power switch to your correct voltage, in my case 115. When you switch it on, it then goes through a self-test and it's failing. And right here you can see there's 5 different tests it does. The temperature test is failing, the vibration compensation test fails, the bed level fails. I'm going to hit confirm here. And it takes you to this screen, and I've tried manually moving things, and you can hear this fan is on. This fan switches on the moment you turn the machine on and does not stop, and that can't be right. There's no way a machine sitting idly is going to run a fan like that. If I come down to the settings, you know, if I try and move the axis doesn't move. Control, if I try and preheat anything, you'll see nothing changes on either the nozzle or the bed. They're not heating. Fan, I can't even turn the fan off. You can see the display's responding, but it's making no difference. The light goes on and off, as you can see. I can do that. So that some of these things are working. Calibration, I can run them again, but it's going to fail. Settings, I can hook onto the network. You can see it's already connected there. I can access the files that are on this machine that are preloaded, but that's it. Machine itself is as dead as a doorstop. So I'm not going to turn this off so you don't have to listen to the noise. And just come around here and hit that. There you go, that's better. So down here, that's the camera, so that's not affecting anything. There's the bottom plate, which is not heating. So something is obviously wrong with the power supply there, because that's where it plugs in. So the main power is going to be down here. There's a cable then that runs from this point up behind this panel, and then that plugs in up here, and I'm looking there, I'm guessing there's a motherboard you could just make out here. But let's see, these will fall into gravity, so that, you know, nothing's jammed there, but they won't move. There's no power to them. I've unplugged these, replugged them back in. The 3 different motors to the arms, played with them, unplugged them, plugged them back in. So I'm at a loss on this thing. Something ain't right, so I'll have to go and contact the company and see what they can suggest. That's a shame. All right.